Hey Cam fam, welcome back to Keeping Up with Cam. So today we have a little bit of a different video for you. We have our morning routine. This is actually the real morning routine of a 2-year-old who is teething. So we thought you guys might just enjoy a little look into our daily lives. We just want to thank you guys for tuning into our channel. Thank you guys for watching our videos. We do see all the love down in the comment section. We do see all the requests for different videos. So we hope that this is something that you guys enjoy. If you have not already, please hit that subscribe button down below. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and please leave us some comments in the comment section. We love talking to you guys. So as he eats his jello, he is watching one of his favorite shows, which is Super Why. I definitely recommend this show for anybody who's trying to give their kids something to watch that is educational. I definitely believe that this is one of the reasons why Cam is so well spoken and so smart. It's a great show for them to watch to keep them distracted, but also a great show for them to watch while they're learning. Next up, it is time to make breakfast. He asked for his favorite, which is a PB&J. I like to make sure that I don't put too much peanut butter on it. Also, guys, make sure if you're giving this to your kids, you have tried them on the peanut butter already. We do not want any allergies popping up. So I put just peanut butter on one side, jelly on one side, and just wipe off the excess of the knife on the other side. I just don't like to overdo it with sweets, overdo it with too much stuff, so I try and keep it as healthy as possible. And here is my 2-year-old. He asked for his PB&J, and now he's crying about it. So it's just a little time that, you gotta sit there, diffuse the situation, talk them through it. You don't get upset with them because they really just don't know what's bothering them. They don't know how to express it. So I just make sure that I take the time to understand what he's going through, tell him I got him, and then I leave him to his own devices and he eats it on his own. These are the two types of vitamins that I choose from. The only difference between these would be that the Flintstones have biotin in it. If you're looking to grow your kid's hair or anything, that may be a bonus for you. But I just kind of have the options because some days he doesn't feel like SpongeBob and some days he doesn't feel like Flintstones. Yeah, you're seeing correctly. I am bringing him another peanut butter and jelly after taking away the original one that he cried about because I don't even know why he was crying about it. Um, but I let him go at it with this one. At this point, he is teething, like I said, so getting him to eat is kind of sporadic. So if he's in the mood to eat, he's happy eating something, I will give it to him as much as possible within reason, just to make sure that he's getting enough, food, protein intake for the day. It's tasty. What kind of soup is it?
It's tasty.
So after breakfast, it is time to play. We are doing some pretend play here as Cam is having fun in his kitchen. He is making soup. He is putting stuff in the oven. He's just in his zone. And it's good to just sit back, be a part of what they're doing, let them take the wheel, and you just kind of encourage it and go along with it. And I'll actually put a link for this kitchen in the description box below if you're looking to get one for your little one. And after all that play, we are back for snack. We hope you guys enjoyed this quick little peek into our morning routine. We will definitely be giving you guys some more videos like this. Let us know if you enjoyed it. Let us know if there's something specific you want to get into. And we will see you guys in the next video.